Hello and welcome friends to the all new series of the Practical Company Secretary. In this series, I am going to discuss about important questions for CS exams in December 2016. Before that, an important announcement. If anyone from among you is looking for CS training in Mumbai, then you can give me a call on my number given below the screen for CS trainee job. So friends, what is the secret to pass in CS exams? The secret to pass the CS exams is to predict the questions which may be asked by the institute and to try and understand the concepts and try to learn the answers of those predicted questions. Mugging up will not help you in passing the CS exams. Now I will show you two important sources from where you can get the predicted questions which may be asked in CS exam. Source number 1 for the predicted questions is your modules. You can clearly see your modules where the questions is given. Just as you can see, this is the module of drafting appearance which is there in final professional, CS professional. So here you will see that some review questions are given, in the end of the modules, and then also again lesson roundup. So it is very important that students should see these things, this lesson roundup and this self-test questions. Many times the questions which come in the CS exams are coming from these self-test questions. Means if the CS students at least read and try to understand these questions and answers to these questions, then you will be able to pass the CS exams easily. The questions which may come in the CS exams, you can predict that questions from here may be asked in the CS exams. So this is one important source which is available openly to everybody. Now I will explain you the second important source from where the CS exam questions can come. The second source from where the CS exams questions can come is this. This is the link of the CS website where you can find the question papers related to previous years. I will put the link below in the below near the comment box where you can see and directly go on the link. I will also explain you now how to find the question papers in this link. When you come on this link on the CS website, then here you can see many question papers related to old syllabus and new syllabus. See executive, then other also, professional level. Now let's take the question paper related to drafting, appearances and pleading and click it. Once you have done your studies, means whatever time you have, then what you can do is you can read these questions and try to uh, think about the answers. At least now if you see this question paper, then you can see here this objective questions are there, which is 2 marks each. Now the strategy to pass in the exam is that at least if you don't have time, then at least on the website it is very easy to go and see these questions and try to find out the answers related to this. So at least if you do this objective from all the question papers which is available, then you know it's a high chances that something or other will come from this, and you can be able to answer it in the exams and pass. Now in this question paper, if you study this question paper, now let's count how much marks are related to objectives. See here, 6 marks, then here 4, that is 10 marks. Here it is like 8 marks, 10 and 8, 18. Here it is match the following, 8 marks, so 26 marks. And here also 6 marks, 32 marks. Just think friends, 32 marks in just objectives. You just read these question papers, try and find out what kind of objective questions are coming. If you see the objective questions, you will find that in last questions something or other is repeated. If it is not repeated exactly, then question related to or similar to that is coming. So please friends, you see this, you get at least 30 marks objectives in just the paper of drafting. Now if you crack at least 20 marks from this 30 marks, then 30 marks more you can be easily able to answer from the other big questions. So 20 marks support you get from objectives. Agar means if you pass, if you attempt the objectives properly, out of 30 marks at least plan you get 20. कुछ अगर wrong रहेगा तो at least 20 marks तो मिल जाएगा आपको. And then remaining 30, because you need 50 marks to pass the overall thing. तो remaining 30 marks, 70 marks में से आप ले सकते हो. Out of the 70 marks of the big questions you can get 30 marks. So total 50 हो जाता है आपका, आप easily पास हो जाते हो. बट इसके लिए आपको ये स्मार्ट तरीके से करना होगा काम. आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना है, पर स्मार्टली मेहनत करना है. तो आपको ये क्वेश्चंस पे कंसंट्रेट करना है. आपको जो है वो जो मॉड्यूल्स के पीछे जो क्वेश्चंस है उस पे कंसंट्रेट करना है. इन दैट मैनर you will be able to understand and predict the questions which may be coming in the December 2016 exams. So with this tips and suggestions, I would like to end this lecture with the important announcement. And also I have made a WhatsApp group for CS students and professionals. You can ping me on my WhatsApp number and I will join you, where you can discuss about latest exam questions, tips and techniques to pass the exams smartly, and also about the CS vacancies. Also, if you have not seen my other videos, then please go through it. You will find lot of knowledgeable things in it, including how to write CV, how to find a job, how to find a training, and many other details. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel so that you become aware about my latest videos, which will really be helpful to you in making your bright future as a company secretary. Thank you and bye bye.